Hello everyone, welcome to Cortex Telemedicine. Today we'll be looking at the feature set which is released as part of Release 5 and Sprint 16. So this video will walk through you about the feature releases, and in order to make this video a short, like probably 10 minutes or so, we'll just be covering the major functional or feature releases. We'll not be going to in detail bugs and other features being fixed out. So Sprint 16 Release 5 majorly focuses on the billing module, where we have where we have new features related to the billing module. So for that billing module for the client admin. So for that we are logged in as an client admin, and you can see here what are the major releases here. So now a client admin has an access to the report of total remittance. So remittance is nothing but what client admin, or in our case doc online, the client has to pay to the doctors for a particular billing period. So now you can see Jan 1 to Jan 31st, the remittance is 0 because there has no consultation being done, so no payout. But just in order to give you an idea, let's go to an unbilled here, and you can see unbilled remittance here. So for the period of Feb 1 to Feb 28, which is our billing period, total remittance is 708 dollars, and then you can see here the total consultation done by individual doctors and the remittance which we need to pay to the individual doctors. So remittance is like total consultation amount minus doc online commission. So this gives you an idea of total remittance. You can print this report in PDF, you can print this in CSV, you can export this, or you can just, if you want to email this report to any particular person, you can just add on the email IDs, the format, and then send. So this will export the report and send in the design format. And then you have different option here: last month, last quarter, last year, unbilled, and custom, which is nothing but you choose your dates, which is from date and start date, and it will generate a report for you. This is a remittance report. Coming to the commission report, this is a total commission report. Excuses for the text here, there's a small bug, but that's okay. So the commission reports talk about the commission which doc online is earning from this particular billing period, right? So this is again the billing period, which is an unbilled period as of now. So you can see the unbilled and then the total commission, and then you will see the same thing here, the doctors, the total consultation and the commission earned from the individual doctors. And then again you have this sort of tools here to export and to download, and then here you have the report period here. The other is the total burn down, which you can see, okay, what's my burn down, which will give you an actual in detail route, like how your remittance and how your remittance is piled up, how your commissions is generated, and all those kind of stuff. So if you go to unbilled, so here you can see, okay, this period total remittance is 708, total commission is 81, total Cortex is 129, and then you can see the number of consultation, number of prescriptions, and number of cloud storage use. Cloud storage use as just a placeholder for it. It will be built up, or it will be released in the next sprint releases. You have set of tools here again, and then you have this report generation, and then you can see here with individual doctors, number of consultations, total cost, prescriptions written, cloud storage, and so on and so forth, right? And then here you have the Cortex payout. Here you can see how much a client has to pay to the Cortex payout here. Excuses the figure, these are some basic settings. Don't go at the figure or the calculation, just try to understand the functional flow. This particular cost based values and everything will be changed as per the contractual terms which were negotiated. So yeah, as this is a Cortex payout, and here you can see, okay, consultation 22 consultation, base price $2 per consultation, so that sums up to this. Prescriptions, that sums up to this, and so on and so forth. And you can see, okay, total payout for Cortex is 129. So these are the major feature releases in terms of client admin. Now let me log out and log in as a doctor, so I can show you what doctors get in terms of their part. So I'll be logging as a doctor here. Oops. Okay, so now doctors also get a remittance report on their menu items. So what they do is they see this, they have the same option tools. Let's go with unbilled, and here the doctor can see, okay, how much remittance I have earned in this billing period. So again, doctor can see the consultations, the different consultation being done with a diagnosis being shown on here, like what kind of diagnosis has been provided to this particular patient, total consultation amount he is eligible, total remittance, and then set of tools here as well. So that's one major feature release we are doing for a doctor here. The other one is on the major sign up or registration procedure here. So earlier we were not having sign up with an Apple on web and Android releases, so we are doing that. So now you can sign in or sign up using your Apple ID on both web and Android as well. So that gives you a feature release where you have sign up with Apple or register with Apple across all the platforms. That's it for Sprint 16. That's the major releases or major feature releases we are doing. Heads up for another video where we'll be having a Sprint 17 and the feature release in Sprint 17. Apart from this, I just forgot to mention that we have a couple of things on the payments as well. Now we have Moncash and Moncash being done, so you can use Moncash as a payment, and it's all working. That's also there. That's it. Thank you.